Hello, you're welcome to this lesson. We're going to be looking at the subtraction of three numbers together. If you have three numbers and you want to subtract them, one way you can do that is to start with the first two. After which you are done, then you subtract the third one from the result you got from subtracting the first two together. You could also start from the last two, but it will give you something like -4 minus 2, and that's too high for this stage. So it's easier to start from the first two. Let's have an example. So if you have something like 18 minus 4 minus 2, it's easier to start with the first two. You group the first two and do 18 minus 4, it will give us 14. After which you subtract 2 from the answer you got, that is 14 minus 2 will give us 12. This principle can be applied to 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers, and so on. So let's have a 2-digit numbers example. You have 54 minus 17 minus 23. You start with the first two. You subtract 54 and 17. After you must have arranged it like this, you start with the numbers in the ones place. That's removing 7 from 4. It's not possible, so we borrow 1 from 5 in the tens place. That becomes 4. Then you put the 1 close to 4 and it becomes 14. So you are removing 7 from 14. That is 14 minus 7 will give us 7 in the ones place. Then 4 minus 1 now becomes 3. So the result from the first group is 37. Then you remove 23 from 37. So let's have it. We have 37 minus 23. So let's remove 3 from 7. It will give us 4. And then removing 2 from 3 will give us 1. So the final answer is 14. Let's have another example. We have 82 minus 26 minus 13. Let's start with the first two, which is 82 minus 26. After I must have arranged it like this, we start from the numbers in the ones place. That is, we're removing 6 from 2, but it's not possible. So let's borrow from 8 in the next column to the left. So borrowing 1 from 8, it becomes 7. Then we'll put the number close to 2, it becomes 12. So 12 minus 6 is 6. Then 7 minus 2 will give us 5. So the new number now is 56. What next? Remove 13 from 56. Now we have 56 minus 13. Now 6 minus 3 is 3, and then 5 minus 1 will give us 4. So the answer is 43. What about 3-digit numbers like 524 minus 412 minus 101? Should we start from the last two? That will be minus 412 minus 101. That's too high for you at this stage. So let's start from the first two. So we have 524 minus 412. Let's start from the numbers in the ones place. So we have 4 minus 2 will give us 2. We have 2 minus 1 will give us 1. And then 5 minus 4 will give us 1. So the new number is 112. Then the last stage is to subtract 112 and 101. So let's start from the numbers in the ones place. So we have 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the new answer is 11. So when you have three numbers and you want to subtract them, you take 2 at a time. One good way is to start with the first two, then you subtract the third number from the result you got in the first place. Thank you very much for watching, and keep on learning.